Shopify 1 week challenge. For so long, I've had an Instagram page that I haven't been able to monetize. So this week, I'm going to try to monetize it and build a dropshipping store around my Instagram page. My Instagram page is in the travel niche, which is typically pretty hard to monetize, but I think I've found a product that could actually sell and make me some decent money. Now, Lyndon, what product are you selling? I'm going to be selling these posters of Italy because I see similar pages selling prints, and all of them say that they've sold a decent amount. So I feel like copying what works is probably the best option when making this store. I guess in 1 week we'll find out if that's a good idea or not. I've tried dropshipping twice, and both times I made $0. But I learned a lot from those stores, so hopefully that will help me when I make this store. First things first, we have to start our Shopify 2-week trial and register our domain name. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go to shopify.com, and I'm going to start free trial. So my Instagram page is called Dreams in Italian, so I am going to enter the email for that, which is dreamsinitalian@gmail.com. All right, so now we're here on the Shopify homepage, and I am going to quickly just add my domain, add domain. I'm hoping this is available. That would suck if it's not. It's a pretty long name, so I'm assuming it is. Let's go. Okay, dreamsinitalian.com. Amazing. Buy that for the year. Okay, cool. So I got my personal information in there, and I'm going to go ahead and buy this domain. And you really want a clean looking domain. So my Instagram page name is Dreams in Italian. So I just got dreamsinitalian.com. If that wasn't available, I would have added one extra thing and still got the .com domain instead of going for .net or .shop, because .com looks a lot more professional than any of those other ends of the domain. One tip when doing anything with business online that requires you to spend money is that you should use a credit card. And you basically get free money back from spending money. It's not much, but it's more than you'd get from just using a debit card. Especially with business credit cards, you can get a lot of money back and get a bunch of free flights. Okay, I will get back to you guys later today when I start building this store. All right, guys, I just got home, so I'm gonna get cozied up and start working on this website. Bruh, my internet's out. Alright guys, so I probably worked on the website for about 6 hours and it's almost done. I just need to import the AliExpress reviews and then it'll be completely finished. But before I do that, I'm going to give you a quick tour, so let's hop into it. Alright, so when you first open up the page, there is a picture of this woman, and I thought this was just aesthetically pleasing, and she's in front of the Milan Cathedral, and my page is about Italy, so it makes sense. I have the Dreams in Italian logo. I just did an Italian flag, put a D on it, called it that. So as you scroll down, it'll say Prince of Italy, have this nice little product picture with a bunch of the posters on the wall. And under those product pictures, I have a little blurb that says, "Bring Italy home. Bring Italy into your home with these beautiful Italian prints. These colorful posters are designed to bring light into your room and remind you of the beauty this amazing country has to offer." So I just thought that was a nice little blurb that could, help sell the piece. And here is a Rome print. So this is one of the products that I'm going to sell. I'm going to add more, do a whole, variety of them, because people aren't just going to want a Rome print. They might want one from Venice or Florence. And then I have the different sizes and options here. So 5x7, 8x10, and I have different prices for each one. So if you go to full details, then it brings you to the product page, and it's just a closer up view of the original page. And like I said, I'm going to add a lot more products. But if you scroll down, I have little blurbs, really just trying to sell the product and make it sound like it's going to make the other person's life better. I made a little diagram in between that blurb that kind of shows off some of the posters. Then I have another little blurb under that diagram that just kind of tells about our community and what you get if you join, just making people feel accepted. The shipping times on these were a little bit long. It's about 3 weeks, which is, I mean, with Amazon having 2-day shipping, that's a pretty long time. So I don't know how that'll affect the orders, but we'll see. So the only thing I really have left to do is import the reviews on this website. And I'm going to do that later tonight. And that's just with a Shopify app called Ali Reviews. But overall, I think it's looking pretty good and we're getting close to being done. All right, so I worked a lot on the website and I finished adding all the reviews. So now the website is pretty much done. A few days ago, I reached out to some Instagram pages to see which ones I could get good deals on to advertise with. So I'm going to take you through Instagram really quick just to give you a little look at what I said and what I got offered. All right, so we're going through Instagram right now. This guy, he has about 93K. He still hasn't given me a price, but he said he will advertise. Map of Italy, they're just trying to sell their page. This guy offered me $150 for a post and for all his pages, which is about 900K. And I'm not going to pay that much. I can't be asked that. I'm a broke college student, so that's a bit much. But yeah, I found this page, Unlimited Room. And they actually have pretty good rates. So 24-hour story, $15. I might try to negotiate them down to $10. And then I'll probably do a 24-hour main post and try to negotiate them down to $20 for that one as well. And other than that, those are the only people that have responded so far. I might get one more, but honestly, I think the Unlimited Room and then my page will be enough to at least test it out and see if it works. And if it doesn't work, I'm probably just gonna sell this Instagram page, because your boy needs money. I'm thinking about buying a new camera for the YouTube channel, so I think that would be a lot more profitable than just having this Instagram page. All right, guys, so I got pretty much everything done. All I really need to do is post the ads, so I'm gonna do that now and then post them on the page and start making some money. I sent myself all the ads except for one last night, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up. Now, the first day, I'm just gonna advertise on my page, see if I can get any sales, at least drive some traffic, and then later on, I might advertise to some other pages. All right, so we got all that. I'm going to go ahead and post on this Instagram page now. All right, so I added my swipe up link, so now I'm going to post it. Boom, there we go. It is 2 days after I posted the original ads, and here are the results. Boom. So my total was $254.88. Now, honestly, I'm ecstatic with that. I did not think I was going to make any money on this challenge, so that is more than I could have asked for. In total, I had 452 online sessions on my store. My conversion rate was 1.31%, which is not great, and I'd like to get that up by designing the website better in the future. But for now, I mean, I made some money, so I'm pretty happy. One of the main reasons why I think the conversion rate was so low was because on my shipping, I said it would take from 10 to 30 business days. Now, that's a long time to wait. One thing that I didn't realize is somehow I posted the ads on the first day of Chinese New Year. So basically, all my orders are gonna have to wait a week before even getting shipped. So that's gonna extend the shipping time longer than I expected. And I already expected it to be a really long shipping time. So that kind of sucks, but I think it will be okay. If I have to give some refunds, I will. But hopefully that doesn't happen. I am planning to continue this store just as I run my page, get some sales every now and then, make it just a source of passive income basically. And I'm also gonna try to advertise on some other Instagram theme pages just to get the ads out there to more people. And I think I can make a great enough return to where that'll be worth it. For a long time, I've struggled with figuring out how to monetize the travel niche, but this seems to work pretty well, at least for me. And I mean, it's not crazy money or anything, but it's something. It's better than nothing. Hopefully I'll be able to scale this up even farther with Facebook ads. I haven't started doing that yet. I'm still just focusing on Instagram, but hopefully eventually I can bring it to Facebook. It is 1 week later and I'm going to be going over the results on how much we actually made from this challenge. So far you have only seen the gross revenue, so let's talk about my expenses and see how much profit I made. Yesterday I got one more order, so my total sales were $276.87. So as far as my expenses go, the Shopify fee was $30, the Ali Reviews app was $10, and my total product costs were $87. My advertising costs were $0 because I posted on my own Instagram page. So the total profit was $149.87. Yay! This is just the start of me trying to make money on my page, so in the future I will probably shift away from these posters and go towards like an e-product that doesn't require me to like order them from AliExpress and have to worry about shipping and all of that. Now I'm going to reflect on my first successful dropshipping attempt. what I could have done better, and what I'm going to do next time. This store has been a great learning experience, and I now have a much better idea of what actually works when dropshipping. When I made my first 2 stores that didn't sell anything, I really had no idea what I did wrong. I felt like they were all pretty good, but now that I've built this successful store, I know exactly what went wrong. It was pretty much just the products. And that's the biggest thing. You have to find a good product when you're dropshipping, something that your audience will care about. My first 2 products were subpar at best, and these posters weren't particularly good either. You really want a product that solves a problem or improves somebody's life in some way. My posters did not do that, and I guarantee I would have had better success with a product that did. The reason why this store was successful and not the other ones is because of a reason that I do not hear a lot of dropshippers talking about. And I'm not a dropshipper. The thing that made this store actually sell is because I had built a community that cared about what I had to say and what I was selling. This sounds simple, but it makes all the difference. My Italian page has a really high engagement rate because I engage with my followers, I answer all the DMs, and I try to answer most of the comments. Without my interaction with my followers, I guarantee that I would have not sold anything. So that would be my biggest tip when it comes to dropshipping. Try to engage with your community and just connect with them. Overall, this has been a great learning experience, and I feel much more confident about making money on my page in the future. If you want to learn how to make your own theme page on Instagram, then watch this video. That video goes in depth on how to start and grow your own travel theme page. If you want to learn more about making money online, business, or the stock market, then I recommend you follow along with my channel by subscribing. If you want to get up to $1,600 worth of free stocks when you deposit $100 on the Webull platform, then you should use my link in the description below. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or insights about dropshipping, and I will definitely respond to them. Thank you all, and keep on grinding.